Welcome to the first demo in our data mining for form marketing case study. Okay, in this first example, we're going to assess the activity level of the warrior form. Now, you can do this for any form. It doesn't matter in the niche. Now, why it's important to assess activity levels for the forms, okay, is to know the exact time that you want to be active in the form, whether you want to post something in the general forms, or you want to advertise, or you want to post your different products, etc. Okay, so what you see in front of you is actual form data that was mined. Okay, this was back a month ago, as you'll see in a second. Now, in terms of columns, okay, the first column is going to be the subform name. Second column is the people viewing it, okay, and third column is the last post. As I told you before, in this case, it's back in August, at the end of August, 31st of August. Then we get the number of threads per subform, number of posts, and the link to the subform, all right? Now, what I'm going to do in real time, and you can do this at any time, so you can track the activity level of the warrior form or any other form for that matter at any time in real time automatically, okay? Once everything is set up. Okay, so I'm going to press a button and you'll see the screen refresh and the number change to the real-time data. Okay, so hold on. As you can see, okay, we the numbers changed. Okay, we got some new subforms in the forum. We have the people viewing, for example, the main internet marketing discussion forum is 2327. Warrior special offer, people viewing is 4983. Okay, and then you can see the post is the 1st of October. Now I'm going to go to online so you can see this in real time fashion. Okay, I'm in the front page. Okay, this is the home page, and let me refresh it, so we can see how many people are viewing it. Okay, so we can see 2327 and 4983. And we can see that on the second, 2327 and 4983, okay, which is real-time data. Okay, now this is critical, guys. You can utilize everything that you're going to be getting in Data Jacker to get real-time automated data for pretty much anything on the internet today. And again, why this is important in this case, in this demo, okay? Because it provides me an idea of when subforms are active, when it's good for me to advertise, it's when it's good for me to post, when it's good for me to put a product out there for people to view, because I can see when there's more activity levels. Okay, I can do this on an hourly basis, a daily basis, a weekly basis, and assess when the form is most active. And you can do this for any niche globally. Okay, now I'm going to pause the video for a second, and we're going to go to the second demo for marketing, data mining for marketing. So hold on 1 second. So we're back now. For the sake of time, your time and our time, because I want to make as many demos as possible for everybody. I'm not going to go back and forth for from the application to the site, because you already saw that everything works in real-time fashion. Now, what I'm doing here is I set up a new dashboard, okay, and in this case I'm assessing the main internet marketing forum section in the Warrior forum, okay, and you can see the columns is the title, okay, by who posted it in the second column, the last poster in the third column, the number of replies, okay, the number of views, and the date. As you can see here, I did this a couple days ago, the 30th of September. Okay, now if I press a button, you can see that everything is going to refresh for us. Okay, so you can see that the latest post I'm going to show you right here is on the 1st of October. Okay, so again, if you want, and the last poster is Alexis Smith. This is by Shimpy, okay, new to affiliate marketing. We have 3 replies, etc. Now, again, why is this important for us? I want to see what conversations are hot. Now, we can do this for a single page. You can do this for 10 pages or 100 pages, okay? And then we can track what's hot, what people are interested in, what kind of questions are popping up, what's the trend like in this forum, okay? Now, like I said, this is the Warrior forum. This is internet marketing. However, it can be done for any type of forum, okay? So, the possibilities are infinite, okay? So with that, I'll pause the video and we'll go on to our next example. Now we're back in the next example. In this case, we're going to be assessing the Warrior special offers, which is, where many people spend a lot of time, as we saw earlier in the analysis of the main homepage site. We mined it before. Now, why would I want to do this? Okay, I can do this, like I said, for one page, single page. I can do this for 5 pages. I can put 10 pages or 100 pages. It doesn't make a difference. And again, it's all automated in real time. Now, what this gives me, as a marketer, okay, this is the section of the forum where people post different products that they're trying to sell. Okay, I want to see what's hot, what people want to, what people are buying or discussing, etc. Okay, now you can see in this case that the last post is okay. I'm going to tell you, the columns here again. The first column is the WSO, name and link, by who it's posted, number of replies, and the number of views, which kind of provides us indication of activity and also indication of how long it's been on the marketplace. And then we can see the latest post, so we can see if there's activity recently. Okay, so as you can see in front of you, the last post was like 30th of September, which is a couple days ago. Okay, so I'm going to press a button and you're going to see that it's going to refresh in real time. And again, rest assured, that it's, this is what's going on the Warrior special offer. Okay, you can see that it's, the first one is a free website monitoring from Uptime Doctor, etc. 34 replies, 442 views. Okay. And you can see all kinds of different data that is very interesting. Like you can see the third one down, 14 people making money. This is by Matt Pock. I hope I'm saying his name right. He has 2, sales going on. The first one has 117 replies with 20,000 views. So obviously it's doing well. And then, a little below it, we see Brian Kumar here with Warrior Kindle Forum, complete training probably about Kindle, with 260 replies. In terms of views, 83,986. Again, but you can see something interesting, that the last post was 7th of August. So yes, he's trying to sell and resell, but obviously nobody posted anything since August. Okay, 7th of August, excuse me, not in September. Okay, now, I forgot to mention, but it's a very important thing, that all this data can be downloaded to a CSV file for you to make use of, whether on your own system or whether in many other applications that we'll get into within Data Jacker. Okay, so with that, we'll go on to the next demo. Like I said, I'm trying to fit in as many demos as possible for you guys. Keep in mind, this is just for one forum. This can be done to a multitude of forums and many different topics, categories, niches, you name it. Okay, so this is just giving you kind of just one type of forum. Okay, so hold on one second. We'll go to the next demo. And we're back in the next demo. Now, in this case, I wanted to actually analyze, a certain, an actual thread, okay? Because sometimes, there are threads, that are interesting that, I want to download, etc., instead of, reading them on a certain forum, okay? So this is the case in, right here, okay? And many people have done kind of a very interesting thing, downloaded content, repurposed it, let's call it, made a product out of something that they actually read on a forum or different forums, okay, for that matter. Okay, and the first column you'll see here is the poster, okay, the title of the thread. Okay, in this case is finding a niche, the most important steps, etc. And here I actually downloaded everybody's actual post text. Okay, so again, so I don't have to keep reading it. Then I download all this information to, like I said, a CSV, upload it to an Excel file or Google Sheets. If you don't have Excel, and utilize this content, okay? Because again, this is very important content. Again, there's very important content in forums, okay? Questions that people are going back and forth and answering, okay? And there's different data that is important, okay? Like, let's say, for example, you're a copywriter or you're trying to write an ebook or an article, then you're obviously gonna go to a forum related to that topic, okay? See what people are interested in, see who's who and what's what, and what are they posting, and what are the most active posts by utilizing everything that you're going to learn in Data Jacker, okay? And you can download it and utilize it in your research. Obviously, you're not going to copy and paste. And if you take like a quote or something, you're gonna source it correctly to the person. Essentially, you're gonna curate content. You're gonna see exactly what's resonating with your market, okay, in real time, automatically, okay. So and I'm gonna refresh. I doubt anybody posted some new content. This isn't, like I said, it's an old thread. Yeah, and like I said, the 3rd of March. I'm gonna go down. Let's see here. Yeah, the 5th of March 2014, that was the last post. Okay, so this is just to show you that I can get one thread, I can get 10 threads, 50 threads. I mean, the limit is, like I said, is up to you. The possibilities for you are infinite once again. Okay, so that's by utilizing a single thread. So just to recap on the Warrior Forum side, because I'm going to give you some, like I said, I like to over deliver, so I'm going to give you something extra, okay? We covered the actual homepage, all right, in the beginning. Then we actually mined threads from the main internet forum to assess, what the hot topics are, for the forum, what people are talking about. Then we did the same thing for the Warrior special offers to see what products are selling, what are the hot topics for products, okay? And then we actually took a single thread and we took the data from the single thread. Like I said, you can do this for one thread, 50 threads, 100 threads. Again, the possibilities are endless. Okay, now the last demo for now at least, in the forum marketing case study, okay, for data mining, we're going to look at different health topics. People always ask, what niche should I get into, etc. So you're going to see in a second kind of a ninja little trick, I guess, to assess different niches. So let me go and do that, and I'll be right back. And we're back. I utilize something called CureZone, which is a very large forum related to health. Like I said, I wanted to show you that this works outside of internet marketing, and it does. It works for anything, okay, as you'll see within Data Jacker once you invest in it, okay? Now, you can see here I took the liberty of getting all the topics under okay, within the CureZone forum, which is again a large health forum. Okay, so I wanted to see the topics. Okay, when was the last posting within that topic, and the number of threads, which will obviously provide us, kind of an indication if that topic is hot. Not only the number of threads, but also when the latest post. So I want to show you a couple of things. I'm going to refresh. I want to see. I did this a few hours ago. I want to see if anything changed. Now you can see on the top, the first one is abused physical, emotional, 18 hours. Abused husband, 18 hours. It's interesting stuff. Acid reflux, 20 hours. And acne 13 hours. It's a big topic. Acne 13 hours and threads 14,270. Okay, so obviously it's a very a very hot topic for health. So let me refresh. Okay. And we looked at acne. So yes, 20 hours ago, and the post went up to 14,270. And you can see here, abuse physical, emotional, 56 minutes ago. Okay, so obviously that's a hot topic. It's less threads. However, it's pretty hot. Okay, now, like I told you before, you can add pretty much instant pages. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for B. So I'm going to bear with me. I'm doing this real time with you. Okay, paste it. Okay, so this is okay. I'm going to refresh. You can see that it's going to gather. Okay, so you can see on top the first listing under A is abuse, physical, emotional. Okay, 56 minutes ago, as we saw before. And the first listing for B is baby nutrition, and it goes back and forth. Obviously, like I said, I can arrange it any way I want, whether here within the system or when I download it in as a CSV file. But I just wanted to show you the power of real time data and information. For example, like in terms of just a brief analysis, I can show you obviously we looked at acne, and I want to see what else is hot. Adrenal fatigue, which 16 hours ago was posted 49,667. Again, people always ask, what kind of niches are interested in? What should I write about? This is a health specific example, but you can do this in any type of niche or topic. Okay, whether it's internet marketing, health, or anything for that matter. Okay, so again, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but interesting one. Okay. 19 in terms of threads, we got almost 20,000 threads, 12 hours body odor. Okay, this is not only unpleasant kind of situation, but it's also something people are asking about, something people want to resolve. Okay, so you can see all the different applications, and this is just for 0.001% of what you'll be able to do. Okay, with once you access Data Jacker, and I can assure you that as with everything, I over deliver big time on everything. Okay, so with that. This was data mining for marketing. This is like an introduction because obviously I'm going to do many more different demos for that. And I bid you farewell. Have a wonderful day. Kind regards, Ron.